Hello, wheat farmers across the United States. If you are working hard every season, but still feel your wheat yield and income could be higher, then today's voice is for you. Because in this video, I will share a proven chemical fertilizer program that helps wheat farmers achieve maximum yield, stronger crops, and higher profit per acre. This is not theory. This is modern, science-based wheat farming. Wheat is a high-demand crop. To produce strong tillers, large grain heads, and high-protein wheat, your crop needs a steady and balanced supply of nutrients. Organic matter alone is not enough for commercial-scale wheat production. That is why chemical fertilizers play a critical role in modern U.S. wheat farming. There are three major nutrients that directly control wheat yield: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. If even one of these is missing or mistimed, your final yield drops permanently. So let's talk about the most effective fertilizer combination used by successful wheat farmers across the USA. The core fertilizer program includes DAP 18460, urea 4600, and potash 0060. This combination is widely used in Kansas, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Texas, and other major wheat-producing states because it works. First, DAP, diammonium phosphate. DAP is applied at planting time. Its main job is to build a strong root system and ensure fast early growth. Phosphorus does not move easily in soil. If wheat misses phosphorus early, yield loss cannot be recovered later. Recommended rate is 100 to 150 pounds per acre based on soil testing. Strong roots at the start mean higher yield potential at harvest. Now let's talk about the most important fertilizer of all: urea. Urea supplies nitrogen and nitrogen controls tillering, head size, grain protein, and final yield. Most high-yield wheat crops need 90 to 150 pounds of nitrogen per acre. But timing is everything. Never apply all nitrogen at once. Successful farmers use split application. The first nitrogen application is done at early tillering. Apply about 50 to 60% of total nitrogen at this stage. The second application is done at jointing stage, Feek 6. This feeds grain development and improves protein content. This one decision alone can increase yield dramatically. When applying urea, remember, apply before rain or irrigation. Avoid hot, dry surface conditions. Use a urease inhibitor if needed. These small steps protect your nitrogen investment and improve fertilizer efficiency. Next is potash. Many farmers underestimate potassium, but potassium strengthens wheat plants, reduces lodging, improves drought tolerance, and supports grain filling. Apply 40 to 80 pounds per acre based on soil test results. Potassium may not increase yield alone, but it protects the yield you build with nitrogen. When this fertilizer program is applied correctly, farmers often see 10 to 25% yield increase, better test weight, higher grain protein, and more uniform fields. In many U.S. regions, this means $80 to $200 more profit per acre. Remember, right fertilizer, right rate, right time, right method. Chemical fertilizers are powerful tools when used scientifically. If your goal is maximum wheat yield and maximum income, this program is your foundation. Please subscribe for similar informative videos.